In this video, we are going to see that if you want to insert some bookmarks in Microsoft document so that you can read from that point onwards in Microsoft Word, how can we insert the bookmarks just like we do it in a book? So let's say we are on this point, we have read until this point, but we want to continue later and we want to add a bookmark here. So what we can do is just place the cursor wherever you want to insert the bookmark, and then we will go to the Insert tab and click Bookmark to insert a bookmark here. Now we can give any name, but just remember we cannot give a space. So read later, let's say if you want to create a space, you can use this underscore sign, and you can use any number as well if you want. So let's insert a bookmark, add. Now the bookmark is added, but let's refer to some point as well. Let's say I'm at this point. If I want to move to that bookmark, what we can do is just go to the insert menu and open the bookmark again. And then it's already saved. We can just click on go to and it will be here. But also if we want to insert it, let's say on the first page, let's say on this area. So we will insert this bracket sign, and under that we can go to the cross reference. Again, we can use this cross references to give our reference, and you can use the bookmark text, which is read later. You can use the page number as well, the paragraph number or something else. So let's use the page number. Click in insert and close. Now as we can see that the reference is on page 2, hold the control key and click here. Right now it's inserted with the heading, so that's why it's not working properly. Let's say we want to insert it here. So let's go to the cross reference bookmark and insert the page number and close. And now we have the reference here. We can hold the control key and then click here, and it will move down to this point. So that's it. This is how you can add the bookmarks in Microsoft Word document. Just try it by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.